Hello. Hello,
This
Sammy.
train will stop at International Airport. If you're heading the
Look,
train
International Airport Station.
the doors will open on the left-hand side of this train in the direction of travel.
And you can see it's a Sydney Airport Station. It is. Because there are two Sydney Airport stations, international and domestic. Oh, so how come international is, an airport station? But just seeing it up, it's like an airport station, of course. It is an airport station.
Is International Airport.
I don't need water. But anyways, wow. I was so surprised that International Airport had become a station. Bye, International Airport Station. Bye.
What do you think, this track?